This is a lightning cable for an iPhone. It broke. I am attempting to fix it. What I ended up doing was I got some wire. I'll put that there. I have a soldering iron. You don't need something this expensive. You can just get I should say a soldering gun. You can get a soldering iron if you have one. Got myself an exacto knife. And you can see that the outside of the lightning cable no longer looks like it was because I used the exacto blade to cut along the edge a couple times. Remove the outside sheath, which you can see the debris here. There's a metal shielding device. I removed that to get this exposed, and there's apparently two wires in it. One of them broke off, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a small piece of this wire off. I get solder from the local hardware store, rosin core solder, to do the electrical work. And I'm just going to take 2-inch, even less, a small amount of wire off this green thing, strip the end off of it, probably with the exacto knife, and splice it in there. Once I splice it in there, I don't have it on me here, but I'll probably get some duct tape and sneak it in between this cable and the one I'm just about to solder, and wrap them, and that should let it work. I actually ordered one for $20, but I figure I can resolder this and use it. Just wanted to get familiar with how to do something like this. It looks relatively simple. You just have to take some time. I don't think you can see it, but right on the edges here, I tried to take some of the red insulation off the end of it. I haven't done it on this one apparently. I'm going to what they call tinning it by putting some solder on it and heating it up until the solder fills up the metal there. I'll do the same thing with this one. Then I'll put them together, and then I'll put that duct tape around them, and it should work.